Let's talk about ChatGPT. As researchers and scholars, we want to ensure that we are being responsible, honest, and maintaining academic integrity when using AI. So, here's a tip on how you can use ChatGPT to support your research. First, ask ChatGPT to give you a list of researchers and theorists relevant to your field of study. ChatGPT will give you a list of researchers and theorists and a short description of their specific area of expertise. Then, choose the first researcher and ask for a list of their seminal works. ChatGPT will give you a list including descriptions and publication dates. Lastly, ask for additional research published in the last 5 to 10 years. This is important because research changes over time, and many theorists add to their body of work as they gain more knowledge about a particular discipline. Repeat this step for each suggested researcher. Then, gather all of the resources, read the material, being sure to cite them properly in your academic papers. For more tips, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.